In this video, we're going to go over how to embed a Google map into your WordPress website. To get started, head to Google Maps. Next, search for the location of the map you'd like to embed into your website. After you make sure that it's the correct location, click on the Share button and then select the Embed option. Press the Copy HTML button, and that's it for the Google Maps portion. Next, open up a new tab and enter the location of your WordPress login screen. Enter your login credentials, and you should be taken to your WordPress dashboard. Next, head to Pages, Add New. Enter a title for your page as well as content as you would for any other page on your website. Once you've done that, click on the Add Block button and select the Custom HTML block type out of the Formatting area. Paste the embed code that you copied earlier, and then click the Publish button to publish your page. Open up a new tab to double check that your map was properly embedded. If you'd like more help with your WordPress website, check out the other videos and playlists on our channel.